Where the hell are they? There are they. There you are. Get back here. You. Gotcha. Nope. Nope. I got you. We're going back to the house. Yes, we are. Come on. I don't care you're feeling good. It's raining. You can just run around. No, you can't. You're gonna catch a cold. You don't care, huh? Well, I do. So, come on. Oh my god. Please. I've already been chasing you for an hour or so now. So, you had every fun you wanted to have. So, let's go inside finally. Okay, well, if I'm going to catch a cold because of you, I'm going to cling on you all day, making you sick too. Understood? Huh? What do you mean you're fine with that? I will finally hug you. Come on! I'm hugging you right now. Yes, because I had to jump on you to catch you, but I'm still hugging you. Of course I don't want you to run away. Okay, this counts as a hug. Yes, it does. Oh my god. Okay. So you are ready to catch a cold or make me sick just so I will hug you. You're a crazy bitch. Nope, I'm not going to let you go. Yes, I know by standing here I can catch a cold too, but you know what? I don't care at this point. We're either going inside or I'm not gonna let you go. You will win, huh? Well, I don't think so. You're gonna be freezing after a while, so... And you know, my warmth is not long-living, so... Alright, guess we're just going to stay like this. Mom will kill us, but who cares? I'm not going to give up. Just because a little shout, I'm not going to give up. I'm better, huh? Well, see who lasts longer. Alright. I can stay here all day. Yes, I can. You know, this spot is exactly the spot where no one, and I mean no one, would see you. Yeah. I mean, I've been playing tag for 11 years or so now with the others, so I know the good hiding spots. Plus, when I don't want to play tag, I hide in the library. So I'm pretty good at this. I mean, you can say whatever you want, but you're always the first one to be found, so... Yeah, I'm calling you out. I'm literally doing everything right now to piss you off. Oh, come on. You did everything to piss me off in the last 1 hour. Now it's my turn. Yes, it is fair. It is fair. What? Why are you looking at me like that? I look weird when my hair is wet? Well, thank you very much. Yeah, you know, I don't really care. No, don't mess with my head. Hey! Don't mess with my hair. Leave it, leave it, leave it, Listener, leave it. No. Nope. I'm not giving up. Alright, you just made it worse. Thank you so much. Can you stop? Thank you. No, you didn't make it better. You actually made it worse. Yes, you did. Look at me. No. No, I look like Norman. I don't look fine. I look like the. Oh my god. Okay, biggest insult you ever said to me. How can you compare me to Dawn? This is actually the worst thing anyone had ever said to me. I'm heartbroken. What do you mean I'm already. Oh my god. What do you mean I already am? Emos are not. And I'm not an emo! No, I didn't say I'm an emo. I just didn't pay attention to what you said. Mm. Hey, listener. Guess what? There's a spider next to you. Wait, you actually got scared. Don't tell me you actually did. Okay, I stop. Okay. Alright, can we go in now? Thank Lord. Thank the Lord. Okay, I'm over the spider thing. Come on. Dip, 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 dip. Oh my god, okay. Come on, I've been chasing you for. I swear to my god. Fun fact, there was actually a spider. Even though it was next to me, not next to you, so don't worry about it.